Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Spotify account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, quick tip, if you're planning to get Spotify or any other subscription for a much cheaper price, scroll down till you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, where it's going to send you to Gamsgo. It's a platform where you can share one subscription with other people and share the password just like a big family. And so from that, you will save a lot of money having your own entity in the subscription. Just like this right here, 3 months of Netflix usually costs 60 euros, but in this platform it only costs 14.49, and you can add code GUMMY, which will save you an additional 5%. For the sign up process, it's very simple. Just search Spotify in your Google, and then from here click on the first link, which will send you to this main page, and you're going to go to the top right to search for sign up right here, and then from here it's going to ask you for your email address, so fill it with whatever you want, for example this one. Click on next, and then it's going to ask you to enter a password, which will fill in these requirements. And so from here, just fill whatever you like. And then once you make sure that it's all good, click on next, and then click your name, your year, birth, and then your gender. And then from here, once you fill all these information, agree to all the terms and conditions. And then from here, you're going to sign up, and there you go. And just like that, now you have access to at least the free version of Spotify. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.